Are you looking for a killer steak sauce? Well, if you are, then I've got two for you today on Lakeside Table, Bearnaise and Choron sauce. Hi guys, I'm Madeline here at Lakeside Table, and if you like sauces, then definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button because that's exactly what we're doing here today. So go ahead and get your ingredients together. We are making a Bearnaise sauce, which we are then going to transform into a Choron sauce. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and get your flavor boost together. So we're going to add this flavor boost to our hollandaise sauce that we've already made. Now, if you haven't made hollandaise sauce before, don't worry about it. I just made a video on that, and I'll link to that on a step-by-step process on exactly how to make a luscious, smooth, creamy hollandaise sauce. So we've got a little bit of white wine vinegar, and we're going to add our shallots to that. And don't be afraid of heat. Go ahead and kick your heat up really high. I'm going to add a little salt to that and some fresh ground pepper. Now you could add some peppercorns. Totally works with that. But if you do that, you really want to make sure that you strain it after you're done. And we've got 2 little sprigs of tarragon, and you could chop that up as well. And if you do that, then you really want to strain. So this way, if you put your tarragon in whole, all we got to do is pick it out. So makes it a little bit easier. All right, just kind of swirl it around. Oh, does that smell good? That vinegar just hit me right in the brain. Oh, and the tarragon, super herbal. And if you've never had tarragon before, it kind of tastes a little bit like licorice. Go ahead, take a look at the pan. I want you to see that we don't have a whole lot of liquid left. So the flavor is really intensified, super, super hot. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and pull our tarragon out because it's done its job. And we're gonna finish off the sauce in the very end with some chopped tarragon. And then go ahead and put your hollandaise sauce right in here. Now this hollandaise sauce is just a little thick because I knew I was gonna be adding some more liquid to it, which is totally fine. The way you do that is just when you're making your hollandaise sauce on the video, just don't put in the water. And then you'll get a really nice, thick, almost like a mayonnaise consistency. And then you want about 2 teaspoons of fresh lemon juice. Nice. That also adds a little more liquid to it. All right. We're gonna go ahead and bring this over to the island and add some fresh chopped herbs. After you've made your Bearnaise sauce and you think it's all together, definitely want to taste it. Always want to taste it. Then you can correct seasonings. Oh wow, that sauce is alive. That has got some really great shallots and onions and a little bit of the anise from the tarragon. That is perfect. We don't need to do anything with that. If your sauce is a little thick, add a little more lemon juice or a little water to loosen it up, but taste it before you do so you know exactly where you're going with it. Add a little bit of chopped tarragon and a little bit of chopped parsley. And we'll taste a little bit with our meat, with our steak. See how, that is a really, really great balanced sauce and steak. All really comes together nicely. You gotta try this. This is so good. All right, now for our bonus section, the Choron sauce. So easy. You've got your Bearnaise sauce and a little bit of tomato paste. And this tomato paste is really nice because then you don't have to open up a can and then throw it away. So it's got a little top, and then about a tablespoon or 2. And again, you want to mix it up. and taste it. All right. Just adds another very subtle layer of flavor. So nice. And I don't think it needs any more than that. You might want to add a little bit more tomato sauce or tomato paste, but this is just so good. This is great on scrambled eggs, souffle, steak. Better taste it again. Oh yeah, it's just a whole nother sauce to add to your repertoire. Well, I hope you enjoyed this. Please head over to lakesidetable.com, check out my cookbook, stick around for some more videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys. I need to find something else to eat with this. This is so good.